Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create scheduled cleanups for XIAOMI Robot Vacuum S10. To do this, first you will need to pair your robot with the app I shown you previously on how to do it. Now when it's ready, we can click on the three dots in the top right corner of the menu of our robot. Then there's the scheduled cleanup, you can click on that, and then this plus button. Here you'll be able to customize the schedule. You can change the repeat for a specific day of the week, or one day, all week, whatever you want. Let's do it like that. Then we can change the time, and let's make it start at 6:40. Or actually it will, it's not the time when it starts, it will change the amount of time it will clean, so that we can set it for 1 hour 40 instead. Then choose your cleanup program. There's a normal cleanup with vacuum once, vacuum twice, vacuum, vacuum and mopping, or just mopping. The suction, there's a silent, standard, strong or turbo, and if you decide to mop, you'll be able to change the water level between low, medium or high. Let's do it like that. Then we can click on OK, and a new schedule will be created and visible right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.